Hello everyone and welcome you again. So in previous classes or in part 1 we already discussed few safety devices which is used in haulage roadway from this experiment. So in that part we already discussed aim of the experiment and what are the types of safety devices generally used, why the safety devices are used. We already discussed about stop block. You can go and watch that video. And also we already discussed the back catches or. So today we are gonna discuss from backstay. So what is backstay? Backstay is also a safety devices which is used to prevent any kind of accident or injury occurred during the transportation of material, and it's prevent the downward or backward movement or is restrict the tops to move downward. So generally backstay, you can see in that figure, this is used behind an ascending set of tops. So this is it's set on the ascending set of tops, or generally the backstay is used in direct haulage roadway or an endless rope haulage. So you can see that it is attached to the top axle or the top drawbar of the ascending cage to their in the event of runaway of the tops in backward. This is the safety devices which is called backstay, which is also used to arrest the backward runway. So here this is the model of the backstay, or also called somewhere we call drag. So this fitting is attached behind an ascending set of tops on a direct rope haulage roadway and endless rope haulage. It is attached to the top axle or to the top drawbar according to their type. So basically this is the top axle where it is attached. So how backstay work? This is the track. In between the track, this is known as slipper. This is the dip direction. This is the travel direction. So here what happen when the top travel in travel direction, it easily pass the slipper. But when it try to move downward direction, the pointed end of the backstay stop against the slipper of the track and prevent the train to move running back. So runway switches are another type of safety devices that is generally used in haulage roadway system. So the main principle of this device is the top looses from a rope. Generally the tops are loose from the rope and diverted by means of a open track. As shown in the diagram, the top is diverted to another track, that is open track. Then the runway points are closed by the tops wheel. Generally the runway points are closed by the top wheels as the train ascend the incline, but immediately open again automatically by the action of spring. So there will be a spring that automatically, by help of that spring, automatically open. So when the tops running back and guided into the side to the place prepared to the receive them, that is shown in the figure, that is the open track. This is another type of safety devices which is used in haulage roadways. This is called runway switches. This is also used for arrest runway of the top in down direction. Here the dip is 1 in 5.3. This is the lever to operate the runway switches. This is the spring. The basic principle of the runway switches is that the tops loose from a rope and diverted by means of open track. Here what happens, when the tops are run in given direction, the runway points are closed by the top wheels as the train ascends the incline, but they are immediately open again automatically by the action of the spring. And when they try to move downward direction, any kind of overwinding or haulage failure, the tops are then guided into the side. The tops are guided into the side. A place prepared to receive them. This is another type of safety devices which is generally used in transport system in roadways, haulage roadway. So the basic principle of Judge Rail is the device that used in the traveling roadway, that when the tops traveling at normal speed, it passes over the section of Judge Rail or the bending portion that is called Judge Track, with negotiating the speed and the bend readily. When the tops travel at an excessive speed, as in case of runway away, they will fail to get the round of the Judge Track or the bend, and a derailment occur. So here what we do, the rail should be bent to a correct radius. So here the correct radius should be 0.6 meter throughout the Judge Track only, and here the haulage rope speed is minimum 3 km per hour. This is the another model of the safety devices which is used in haulage system or haulage roadway. This is known as Judge Rail. Basically here the track is bent readily to negotiating the speed. This is the dip direction. The dip is 1 in 3.9. This is the travel direction. The bend track, this is the track is bent readily. This track is known Judge Track. The basic principle of this device is that the tops traveling at normal speed pass over a section of Judge Track with negotiating the bend readily. What happens if the tops travel at an excessive speed, as in the case of runway or during any kind of overwind, they will be failed to get around the bend and derailment occurs. So how it's work? At normal speed, the tops passes easily the section of Judge Track. In case of excessive or backward runway, excessive speed, what happen? So here, when the tops travel at an excessive speed, they will fail to get the round of this bend, the section of Judge Track, and definitely derailment occur, which may prevent any kind of such accident which may be occur in downward direction. Let's come to the conclusion part. From this experiment of study the model of different types of safety devices which are generally used in haulage roadway for the transporting, and the safety devices generally used for the prevent of any kind of accident and injury. So here from this experiment we study and know about the construction features and working of various type of safety devices which is generally used in haulage roadway. So thank you very much.